Cardamom Mocha. Welcome, coffee enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of unique coffee drinks that go beyond your regular cup of joe. First up, the white chocolate cardamom mocha. Barista expertly crafting a white chocolate cardamom mocha. Imagine the smooth richness of white chocolate blending seamlessly with the aromatic essence of cardamom. This delightful fusion creates a luscious and velvety mocha experience that's both comforting and sophisticated. The white chocolate cardamom mocha is not just a drink. It's an indulgent journey for your taste buds. The sweetness of white chocolate and the warmth of cardamom make this mocha a perfect treat for those seeking a unique and memorable coffee experience. Spicy Cinnamon Chili Mocha. Next on our coffee adventure is the Spicy Cinnamon Chili Mocha. If you're a fan of bold flavors and a hint of heat, this mocha is tailored cinnamon chili mocha. If you're a fan of bold flavors and a hint of heat, this mocha is tailor-made for you. Picture the classic mocha getting a kick from the dynamic duo of cinnamon and chili. The result? A harmonious blend of sweet, spicy, and just the right amount of heat. The spicy cinnamon chili mocha is a sensory delight, taking your taste buds on a roller coaster of flavors. It's the perfect choice for those who crave a bit of adventure in their coffee routine. Marshmallows. And now, let's talk about a coffee drink that's practically a dessert in a cup, the Acai Mores Mocha with torched marshmallows. Imagine the nostalgic taste of a campfire s'more, but this mocha combines the richness of chocolate with the sweetness of marshmallows, all perfectly balanced to create a symphony of flavors reminiscent of a cozy night by the fire. The Acai Mores Mocha with torched marshmallows isn't just a coffee drink, it's a dessert experience. The torched marshmallows add that extra layer of indulgence, making it a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth. So, whether you're in the mood for the elegant white chocolate cardamom mocha, the bold and spicy cinnamon chili mocha, or the decadent Acai Mores Mocha with torched marshmallows, these unique coffee creations are sure to elevate your coffee game and leave you with a lasting impression. Cheers to the endless possibilities that coffee can offer. Until next time, happy sipping!